Watch, Matt's gonna go.
Yeah, we'll bite him.
That'll learn.
Turtle.
Remind
Say
me, we need to
turtle.
come
Look
back
at his
here and get
eyes,
all of
David.
our
Look real
library
closely at
books
his eyes.
Oh, they are funny. Look at it. See, he hides in his house.
Oh, look at, did you see him blink? Oh, he's neat, huh? Dave, you are a character.
You can put it right on his face. Like right by his mouth. Uh-oh. Let's see if he'll bite me.
Matt?
Putting his hand like right over his mouth.
Pick it up.
You
David.
don't even know
Pick
what
it
it
up.
is, Matt.
Pick him up, and so mommy can see underneath him. Pick him up.
You won't
Yeah,
bite you,
like
David.
here.
Thank you.
Pick
He's
him
not
up
gonna
like this with two hands.
David, this is so special. That poor turtle.
Well, he's hiding in his house. David's very gentle with him.
Good job, David. See, he's nice. He won't bite you.
Look at touch his
Oh, wow,
feet.
Kathy.
Look at his mouth. That's why we can't have them when they're little, because babies put them in their mouth.
Oh, man.
See? If you ever ask Johnny at home, he would do this with you. I think that Matthew needs a puppy.
You need to take what? There you go.
David, he's peeking out.
So, Pete, wait. Before you do that,
Take the filter off. You're just going to put water in there.
You don't think it needs a new one yet, right? Did you change it kind of recently?
no, I
If you
washed
ask
it out.
Johnny at home,
Wash it out.
David,
I thought you guys put a new one in. I'm sorry.
if you asked Johnny, he would